Hi my lovely viewers, this is a loyalty world learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to run at login on Esaymail email client apps in PC or laptop in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here we can get it easily, settings and apps, where we can get installed app, uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Click here. Here we can find it easily, as because it is the Esaymail, it is the ascending order in our alphabet letter. So click here and advance. See here, so by default it has off. So this start up task can be configured to run when you log in. Esaymail Win32 background service, by default it has off, so we want to on this. So click here on. Or if we want to start up configure startup tasks, we can do lots of things from here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.